Hi, I'm Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to show you how to make an organic perfume. The main thing you want to start with is an organic carrier. You can use an oil like jojoba or fractionated coconut oil or sunflower or any number of oils, but check to see that they are produced from organically grown materials. You can also use what I'm going to use today, which is organic vodka. The essential oils that you're going to use should also be organically grown. When you buy them, you can check to see if they are organic or if they're just regularly conventionally grown. The organic ones will be more expensive, but to make an organic perfume, you want to choose these essential oils. Now, when you're mixing a perfume, you want to mix top notes, middle notes or heart notes, and base notes. The base notes will be the longest lasting, the heart notes will be the heart of the perfume, and the top notes will be the first thing you smell, but the least lasting of the scents. So if you blend all three, you'll have a nice balanced perfume. So choose at least one base note, at least one middle note, and one heart note, and we'll start mixing. So when you're mixing, you want to count the number of drops that you use and write them down so that later you'll be able to recreate this perfume if you really like the result. So I'm going to do 10 drops each of my base note, my middle note, and my top note, and then to calculate how much of my carrier, I'm going to add up the total of those drops, which in this case is 30, and multiply it by 4. So this will give me the total number of drops, so I'll add 120 drops of my organic vodka. Now, this will give us a nice perfume with 20% concentration. Now you will want to let this sit for about 24 hours. Then you can go back, open it up, smell, and evaluate which of the scents might need adjusting, and then you can adjust by adding more drops of whichever of the oils you would like. Then let the whole thing sit for about a month or two for it to fully mature, and then you can bottle it, put it in your choice of bottle, and you'll have a wonderful organic perfume to enjoy.